Welcome back, guys, to my channel. It's Joe right here. Today we'll be talking about currency pairs that will change the game for you in the forex industry. Currency pair. When I mean currency pairs that will change the game, I mean currency pairs that can make you millions and thousands of dollars within a space of 30 minutes or even 1 hour at maximum. So stick around and discover these currency pairs. Now, if you know that you just started trading recently and maybe you find it hard to decide which pair you should go with, I think this video is obviously for you. And for those who want to start trading next year by 2025, you also need this video, you also need this lesson to know which pair you should go with and how volatile they are. So now, but before that, we have to break it down for you guys what pairs actually is. What do we mean by pairs, currency pairs in the forex market? As a world stand pair, you obviously know that it is the combination of two things, right? So currency pair is a combination of two currencies to make one. That's why they're called pairs. And I'll lead you guys through what this currency is, the currency you are to see in the forex market, the currency you'll be trading, which would pair with each other to become a currency pair before you can obviously trade them, because in forex market you cannot just trade USD, you cannot just trade GBP, which is British pounds. I'll obviously talk about that. You cannot just trade the Canadian dollar or the Australian dollar. They have to be in pair in order for you to be able to trade them. One, we have the USD, which is what the United States dollar. This in the second place you have the EUR, which is what the euros, as we all know. In third place we have the GBP, which is the British pounds. In fourth place you have the CAD, which is the Canadian dollar. Fifth, AUD, Australian dollar, and then the New Zealand dollar, and so on and so forth. CHF, which is the Swiss francs. You can see them I just listed them down for you guys. You guys can just look it through and get the abbreviation, their symbols and their names. So whenever you see them, you know, I know what this is. You will be confused again. The SAU is gold, so you guys should know that's what it is. Then, so you also know that these currencies are being paired to each other, so we call them crosses. Like they have to cross with each other to become paired. So in the forex market, I think we obviously have two major crosses, which is what the GBP crosses and the Euro crosses. United States crosses, the USD crosses is there, but there are just few of them. And in the GBP crosses, when I mean GBP crosses, are those pairs that the GBP cross with. Most of the times the GBP is what the base currency, and then the other currency is the quote currency. That also comes for the Euro, EUR, which EUR is what the base currency, and any other currency that comes with it is what the quote currency. You can see them as I just showed in the picture right here. You see that the currency okay, this is my left hand side, and my left hand side is what the base currency. The one on my right hand side is what the quote currency. You can call the quotation. Either way, just get the basics. Now, for the GBP crosses, we have what the GBP USD, the GBP JPY, the GBP AUD, GBP so on and so forth, GBP CHF. In the GBP crosses, the most volatile, when I mean most volatile cross in the GBP, means the crosses that are very, very fast, the pairs that are very, very fast. Whenever you see GBP cross with JPY, or even any pair crossing with JPY, which is the Japanese yen, they are very, 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 very volatile. You don't play with them. Then the GBP crosses with the JPY, which makes it very, very, very volatile in the market. I think that is the most volatile normal pair in the forex space, followed by the Euro, the GBP USD, GBP USD, and GBP AUD, and all. And if you want to find a pair which is in between, not too fast, not too slow, is obviously the GBP USD. That's why you see majority of the traders trading GBP USD, because they are not too volatile, and they also they are not slow. Then for the euro crosses, we have the euro USD, the euro JPY, the euro CHF, the euro AUD, and so on and so forth, to other currency pairs crossing with the euros. For the euros, the most volatile is also what? The euro JPY, followed by what? The euro USD. That's why I tell you that. That's why I told you guys that the JPY crossing with any pair, even as a quote currency, is very, 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 very fast. It's very, very volatile. You know, you take your trade now, and the next 2 minutes and the next 10 minutes, oh, you have 10 pips. You're flowing 10 pips immediately. Now, okay, for these pairs, I think I'm done for the pairs. I've told you guys the pairs that you should trade, the pairs you should avoid, and how volatile they are. Also now, trading a pair, just chipping this a little idea, trading a pair depends on your risk appetite. Now, I'm not saying that as a beginner you shouldn't trade, let's say, USD, which is good at all. I'm just saying out of experience that you should at least have a foundation on how the market works before you could go into gold. The volatility is not here. Sometimes it doesn't even react to the USD news as the others react to. It has its own way of going, so you have to understand it, get down, break it down, sit down, understand the market for some time, and see how it actually goes before you can put your money into a pair like gold. But trust me, as I said, this pair can make you millions in 30 seconds, in 30 minutes, right? So that's why it's called $1 million pair. Once we call it $1 million pair. Alright, so this is all. So if you know you like content like this, click on the subscribe button, like this video, and also share to your friends who want to be a forex trader. And on my next video, we'll be talking about market participants. Who are those moving the market? Who are those even putting this money in the market, and where they're coming from? So if you don't want to miss out on that video, subscribe now, and click on that notification bell, so whenever I post, you will see her. Peace out.